Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. It is 5:20 and 49 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research is on fructose, so let's hop to it here. Diets high in fructose can cause immune system damage, studies suggest. New research deepens understanding of how fructose affects health. Date February 22nd, 2021. Source Swansea University. Fructose is commonly found in sugary drinks, sweets, and processed foods. It is used widely in food production. It is associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and its intake has increased substantially throughout the developed world in recent years. However, understanding the impact of fructose on the immune system of people who consume it in high levels has been limited until now. The new study published in the Journal of Nature Communications shows that fructose causes the immune system to become inflamed, and that process produces more reactive molecules which are associated with inflammation. Inflammation of this kind can go on to damage cells and tissues and contribute to organs and body systems not working as they should and could lead to disease. The research also brings a deeper understanding about how fructose could be linked to diabetes and obesity, as low-level inflammation is often associated with obesity. It also builds on the growing body of evidence available to public health policy makers about the damaging effects of consuming high levels of fructose. Research into different components of our diet can help us understand what might contribute to inflammation and disease, and what could be best harnessed to improve health and well-being. The research is exciting because it takes us a step further towards understanding why some diets can lead to ill health. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.